So I'm Emery, and I'm on the Acellus platform. This is the, I guess you could say, homepage where it has all the classes. And so I'm using this right now, and I only have one class enrolled, and it's biology. So I'm going to show how I can navigate through this site, which is actually not very JAWS friendly, but there's workarounds. And so I'm going to show how I do each thing that I do on the Acellus platform. So to start, I'm going to get down to the class. I could do it in two different ways. I could either open my links list.
Links list dialog. Links list view.
And once I open my links list, I can press B.
B.
And if it's not there, then I can go to the bottom.
Sign out 11 of 11. Parent register 1 sign.
And for some reason, the class isn't there. So I'm going to
Escape.
exit out. And once I exit
Escape.
out, then I'm actually going to go to the bottom
Copyright
of the page and arrow up until I hear my class.
Biology W Mr. Noga.
So I figured out why it doesn't go into the links, because it's not labeled as a link. So it's still pretty easy to get there, just to go to the bottom with Control N and then arrow up to the classes. I'm going to go ahead and press enter on this class because I'm going to do one of the videos.
Enter Biology W Mr. Noga. Acellus the Science of Learning Mozilla Firefox. Acellus the Science of Learning. Acellus the Science of Learning page has 2 headings and 4 links. Acellus visited Acellus heading level 6 Energy vs. Newt heading level 6 Biogeochem A. Library 00.
So I've already watched the video on this specific, I guess you could call it a module, and I had closed the video after I watched it, and then I came back, and it's opened in the right spot. So that's a nice thing about Acellus, is it brings you back where you left off most of the time. So this question is not accessible in the standard way. So I'm just going to go to the top and arrow all the way down through it so you can hear or see just how much is not, accessible.
Acellus the Science of Learning. Visited link graphic home graphic. Acellus logo graphic. Heading level 6 Energy vs. Nutrients.
So energy versus nutrients.
Heading level 6 Biogeochemical cycles.
And it has those. But then after this, there's no question.
A.
It just goes straight to A. And then the answer choice A is
Library 00001120494698 graphic.
A very long picture. Well, it's a normal picture, but it has a very long name. Anyway, B has the same thing.
B. Library 0000112049.
And so this is actually a step up from the current Chrome, Google Chrome. It's not that much different, but at least it shows the pictures. On Chrome, it actually doesn't tell me there's a graphic there, and therefore I can't choose the answer choice because I actually have to click on the graphic. So then let's just see the rest of the page.
Copyright 2003 blank 88. Link graphic Acellus resources. Link graphic Acellus help. Link interface Acellus engine. Blank. Link.
And that is it. So I have 2 ways I could do this. I'm going to do the first, usually fastest way first, and then on the next question I'm going to do a little bit slower but a little bit more in-depth way. So I'm going to just Shift H to my heading.
Biogeochemical cycles heading level 6.
So once I've gotten to my heading, I can go ahead and initiate the first way, which is JAWS OCR. So I'm just going to do the JAWS OCR layered command. Starts with JAWS key plus space, so your JAWS key could either be caps lock or insert, whichever one you chose. So JAWS key plus space.
Space.
And then O for OCR.
O, OCR.
And then S for screen.
OCR started.
And it's going to
Finished. JAWS cursor.
And then it's going to say finished. And so when it's finished, it'll have this deep voice because it's on the JAWS cursor and you're reading what it OCR'd. So I'm going to start and see where I am.
Does heat A.
So I'm actually on the answer choice. I'm going to arrow up to the question.
Does heat is Acellus logo Acellus resources. Heat is a form of energy. Therefore, our Acellus help. Does heat flow through an ecosystem?
So sometimes it'll randomly stick the Acellus help inside the question, but if you just kind of ignore Acellus resources and Acellus help, then it's readable. And so it was asking,
Heat is a form of energy, therefore how Acellus help? Does heat flow through an ecosystem?
Heat is a form of energy, therefore how does heat flow through an ecosystem? So then it'll hopefully have OCR'd those graphics as the answer choices, and we can figure out what they say and then go choose the right answer.
A. Heat cycles through an ecosystem. B. Heat travels in one direction through an ecosystem. Copyright heat. B. Heat cycle. A. Heat cycles through an ecosystem. B. Heat travels in one direction through an ecosystem.
So A is that it cycles through, and B is that it goes in one direction. And we know that heat goes only in one direction. Once it's gotten to the end, it dissipates in some way or another. And so I have to go back into my PC cursor with JAWS key plus semicolon.
Virtual PC cursor.
And then I know that it's B, so I'm going to go find B.
Heading level 6, heading level 6, A, library 0B.
So I'm on B, so I'm just going to down arrow to its respective graphic.
Library 0.
And click enter.
Enter.
So I've just answered a question using OCR. And of course, when you know how to do it, it goes faster. So now I'm going to do the next method.
B, library 0, 0.
So I'm on another one of those inaccessible picture-y questions. So
B, library A, heading level.
Just as an overview.
Heading level 6 biogeochemical site A, library 0 B, library 0's next graphic, copyright.
So it just kind of has the pictures. Now I'm going to do the second method, which this one is kind of, takes a little longer, but it's pretty, pretty in depth. Once you do it, it usually shows, it's simpler to read. Like it usually doesn't have those Acellus resources in the middle of the question. But it also works better for, some questions usually just don't work with the OCR for some reason or another. And so if you do this method, then sometimes it'll work a little better, but this is like the second option. So I'm going to go up to my heading again.
Biogeochemical cycles heading level 6.
And then I'm going to do a screenshot or a screen capture, whatever you like to call it, which usually I would use function F10 to do that. But we're actually going to add Windows to that so that it'll drop it directly into my file explorer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Print screen.
So it says it did a print screen, and since I added Windows, it should be waiting in my pictures folder.
Windows E, File Explorer, Items, Download, Document, Pictures, 4 of 20, Enter, Shell.
Once I go into my Pictures folder, I'm actually going to look for the Screenshots folder.
Pictures, Saved Pictures, Screenshots, 4 of 5.
There it is.
Enter, Items, View, Multi-Select.
And I'm going to go to the bottom.
Not selected, Screenshot 15.
And
PNG, space, Screenshot 15.
It's selected, and this should be the most recent screenshot. So now I'm going to do JAWS Picture Smart. So I'm going to do, again, the layered command, JAWS key plus space.
Space.
P for Picture Smart.
P, Picture Smart.
F for File.
Picture Smart is in progress.
This one takes a little longer than the OCR.
Heading level 2 caption is a screenshot.
Once it is done, usually it'll pop up into the current window where you're on, but sometimes when it's done, you'll actually have to Alt-Shift-Tab to it, or just Alt-Tab for a long time through all your windows. But it's here, so we got it. So now we're going to arrow through this and see what it gave us.
Heading level 4, this text appears in the photo. Acellus, the Science of Learning X.
So it's just saying that this, because it does more than text, so this is saying that the following is what text it found in the photo.
Plus, you are screen sharing. Stop share. HTTP. Energy vs. Nutrient.
So that was, the screen sharing was that I'm screen sharing. So now we're down to the nutrients.
Energy vs. Nutrients.
Energy versus nutrients.
Biogeochemical cycles.
Biogeochemical cycles. Nothing has really changed yet.
Acellus.
Now it says Acellus.
How can we compare nutrients and energy?
How can we compare nutrients and energy? So cool, I have the question.
A. Energy and nutrients both cycle through an ecosystem.
Energy and nutrients both cycle through an ecosystem. So that's after A, so it got it, yay.
Nutrients cycle through an ecosystem, whereas energy moves in one direction through an ecosystem.
So actually, for some reason, this method doesn't include the letter B, but it still has B in it. So like I had A, and then B is after A, obviously. But for some reason it doesn't actually say B, but if you know that A ended and B is something completely different, then you can pretty accurately guess that this is B. So I'm going to go back into the top and we're going to see which one's right.
Nutrient energy A. Energy and nutrients both cycle through an ecosystem.
So that's not true because energy goes in one direction.
Nutrients cycle through an ecosystem, whereas energy moves in one direction through an ecosystem.
That's the right one. B is the correct one. So now that I know the answer, I'm not going to keep open this window other than I'm going to have to close it later. So I'm just going to escape.
Escape. Screenshot 15.
And if it was in its own separate window that had popped up, then I'd have to Alt F4, but it just happened on top of my file explorer, so that was cool. So now that I know it's B, I'm going to Alt Tab back over to Firefox.
Acellus the Science of Learning Mozilla Firefox to move to
and I'm going to go find the picture associated with B.
Heading levels, heading level A, library B, libraries.
And click.
Enter.
Cool. Now I'm on the next question.
B, libraries B, A, heading level 6 biology and chemical, heading level 6 energy
So
VS.
it's another inaccessible question, so I could choose the first option or the second option, but of course the first option is shorter. So now we're going to actually learn how to do something else.